welcome to my first video. In today's video, I will show you how you can install Arch Linux on your computer easily. So let's get started. First, you will need to download Arch Linux from its official website. I'll drop the link in the description. Choose download, and then find your country and select the mirror. I already have it downloaded and it's running in a virtual machine. I haven't installed any packages yet because we're just installing the operating system. So first, if you are using Wi-Fi, you need to configure it using the IVCTL utility that's built into Arch Linux. In the description, I'll just put the guide for how to do it. If you are using Ethernet, it'll work out of the box. So what you need to do is just type in Arch install. Press enter and wait a few seconds and this will show up. Now choose your keyboard layout, so type in 26 for US. So when you are making a selection, just type in the number for for your selection. Press enter. And now it will ask you for your country. So I'm just going to choose my country here. Just a second. Okay, I'm going to choose 13 for Croatia. Press enter. And now it asks us on which disk we want to install Arch Linux on. So it's our 30 gigabyte disk, virtual disk that I created. So choose one and press enter, and then press enter again, and then it will ask us what do we want to do with the drive that we're installing it on. Make sure that you have backed up all your important data because this will wipe out all the information. So choose 0 and press enter. It asks us for the file system, just choose 0 for BetterFS, and then choose Y, so just go yes. If you're using BetterFS, it will ask you this question, so type in yes. The disk encryption password, we don't need to do that, so just press enter. Swap on ZRAM, not needed. Our host name, no, just do a r-video center. Our root password, I'll type in the root password. One more time for verification. Okay, now we want to create an additional user that will be our sudo user. You can leave it blank and skip if you want to use the root user, but I'll create it. My password, once again, and there we go. Now it asks us, should this be a super user? So what that means is using this user, we can execute sudo commands. Sudo commands allow us to execute commands that require root privileges without logging in as root. So we'll do yes here, press enter, and if we can create more users if we want, but I'll just skip that and continue. Then, because this is an easy install, we'll choose 0 for desktop, choose our desktop environment, so I'll choose 5, GNOME, then our graphics driver, so I'll choose 5 for VMware VirtualBox, sure. The audio server, where we'll be fine with Pipewire, so just press enter. the kernel, just leave this blank for Linux. We're fine with that. Now it will ask us for the additional packages. So if we want a web browser, of course, we just type in its name, so such as Firefox and Chromium. So I'll do Chromium and press enter. Now it will ask us how do we want to configure our network interface, and we'll just use Network Manager. So that is one. Press enter. A time zone, just press enter to use UTC. Enter. Automatic time synchronization, that's fine for me. So just go yes, enter. And this will show our configuration that we just made for the installation, and just press enter to continue. This will take some time. I'll pause the video and get right back when this finishes. Okay, I am back. The installation is completed. And now it asks us, would we like to use chroot in the newly created installation? So I am installing this in a VM. Uh, when I installed it the first time and I said yes to this, my system didn't even boot up. Maybe this is a problem only in VirtualBox because I've not tested that in VMware. But if you're installing it in VirtualBox, choose no. Press enter. And if everything completed successfully, we should see a message that says installation completed with no errors. So let's see if that shows up. Yes, it shows up. Now what we want to do is type in sudo reboot. Press enter, and we are restarting. Now eject your installation medium for some amount, and it's restarting. So just wait a few seconds. Okay, something happened to my VM. Oh, okay. I almost thought it crashed completely. So just press enter to load up Arch Linux, and we should land on our lock screen. Just wait. And here we are. Just choose your account, type in your super complicated password, and press enter. And I should now land on desktop. There we go, I'm in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. If you like my type of content, please consider subscribing. In the next video, I will show you how you can install the drivers for Arch Linux in VirtualBox. Uh, until that, see ya. Bye.